For over a century, WIZO, the Women's International Zionist Organization, has stood as a pillar of support for Israel, promoting equality and providing essential education and social services for all its citizens. With a powerful network of 250,000 volunteers spanning 38 countries, WIZO is a lifeline to the most vulnerable, running daycare centers, schools, foster homes, elderly care facilities, domestic violence shelters, and much more. One of our greatest allies on this journey has been the Hagee Ministries. For over a decade, Mrs. Diana and Pastor John Hagee have stood with WIZO and with Israel, demonstrating unwavering dedication through their generous support while investing in the future of Israel and its people.
I am here to deliver a singular message. Israel, you are not alone. You are not alone today, tomorrow, and forever. God bless the Jewish state.
The horrific events of October 7th and the devastating war that followed shattered countless lives in Israel. In these darkest of times, WIZO's mission became more critical than ever. As soldiers bravely fought on the front lines, many leaving behind their families for months, WIZO stepped in to care for those left at home. To meet this urgent need, WIZO launched an emergency fund. With an extraordinary donation from Hagee Ministries, we transformed our response efforts. This donation became a beacon of hope, enabling WIZO to relocate and provide shelter to families from the hardest-hit areas. It expanded our mental health services, giving those suffering from PTSD the chance to begin healing from their unimaginable trauma.
People here care about our mental health and about our feelings. Anytime we want, we can ask for some time to talk to some social worker, anyone we want.
Hagee Ministries support also helped us construct and renovate bomb shelters, ensuring they met the latest safety standards. These shelters are not just structures, they're sanctuaries of protection, giving families peace of mind in the face of ongoing threats.
בתחילת המלחמה לא היה לנו מספיק מקום לכל התלמידים והצוות, ולכן רובם נשארו בבית. בזכות ויצו שיפצו פה את המקלטים, אנחנו הצלחנו להבטיח מקום לכל התלמידים שנמצאים פה בבית הספר, בטח במשך היום.
During this war, I felt very safe here.
יש מספיק מקלטים, גם המדריכים דואגים בכל דקה שיש אזעקה איפה אתה נמצא באותו רגע.
Hagee Ministries' donation also supported new immigrant children, providing safe and nurturing dormitories. These spaces offer a sense of home and community for children who have made Aliyah to Israel, providing stability and a foundation for the future.
I feel at home here in Israel.
As the global Jewish community continues to face unprecedented challenges, especially in Israel, the partnership between WIZO and Hagee Ministries stands as a powerful testament to the strength of Christian and Jewish solidarity. This bond, rooted in compassion and shared values, remains a source of light, hope, and strength for us all. Together, we can continue providing the life-saving support Israel desperately needs.
Thank you so much to the Hagee Ministries.
Thank you to Pastor John and Diana Hagee for all of your support.
תודה רבה על התמיכה שלכם פה, ואני מאוד מעריכה אתכם.
Thank you for helping me to come home.
בזכותכם אנחנו יכולים להגשים את כל החלומות שלנו.
Thank you, Hagee Ministries, for all your support.
Thank you, Pastor Hagee, and the entire team on behalf of WIZO, on behalf of Israel, on my behalf. God bless you.